practice making sandwich. Before we make it, we will introduce ourselves to each of us. Hello, my name is Dimas Rizky Aryadi.
My name is Randika Hermuliyawan.
And I am Syekh.
And tools need. This is a plate, knife, cutting board, and Teflon.
And we need ingredient: bread, cheese, margarine,
Chili sauce, mayonnaise, corned beef, and vegetables.
Lettuce, tomato, cucumber. First, we prepare the ingredients for the sandwich bread first.
Then prepare 2 pieces of bread and the filling for the sandwich bread.
Then prepare the corned beef and heat the Teflon. Don't forget to add enough margarine and stir fry the meat until it looks cooked. Heat margarine over Teflon. Then add enough corned beef and cook until cooked.
Now prepare the bread on a plate and place the cooked corned beef on the bread.
After that, add the sliced lettuce, tomato, and cucumber, and add the tomato. That added the sliced lettuce, tomato, and cucumber, and add the chili sauce according to taste. Apa?
After the sandwich bread is cut, prepare a serving plate to be served. Now the sandwich is ready to be served and eaten.